Guten Tag, liebe Freunde von YouTube. Willkommen zu der ersten Folge von Heritage Emotion. Ich bin Xuan Fu hier auf der Universität Alberta in Edmonton, Kanada, wo ich studiere. Ich werde heute fragen, wie klingt Deutsch für Leute hier in Canada. If that did not make sense in German, since my German is not good, I'll explain it in English. First, we'll ask people to imitate German based on their impression of the German language. And then we will show them a clip of a native German speaker to see if that changes anything. The clip will be the famous press conference where Herr Westerwelle told a BBC reporter to not speak English when he is in a German press conference.
Aber es ist Deutschland hier.
So, are you familiar with the German language?
A little bit.
Not at all.
Not at all.
Not really.
Semi-familiar. My mom and my grandma come from like Mennonite backgrounds, so my grandma speaks German and stuff. So
I don't know much about German. I can't say I even know anybody from Germany. So that's as far as my experience goes.
yeah, just like stuff from like TV, movies.
Yeah, like World War II movies?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. It sounds very harsh, really, and there's a sound at a lot of the ending, right? The e sound is always, kind of an odd pronunciation.
A little, maybe?
You've heard Hitler speak, right?
No.
Ich van starken Gaben. There you go.
That's good. And what about a normal German? If there's any normal German you have in mind.
Okay. Zaguka joglepa Google.
Das ist das Schweigen and the Flocken and the Sprachen.
There's like normal German,
Right.
and then there's like more angry German.
Angry German.
Sort of like,
I don't really know any words, but
Gibberish is good.
okay. Das ist vast, like that, or Guten Wagen. And
Guten Tag, wie geht's? Sure. I can't do it, honestly. I have no idea what it sounds like.
Disney Hock, I think. I think that's how they'd probably sound.
Hagen-Dazs Volkswagen, kosher something.
Bombardier, wo stuff Bombardier? I don't know. Hold on. German. I'm from Germany. You see, I'm a very little German man. I don't know much about Germany. This is my impression of a German man. I like sauerkraut and Wiener Schnitzel. Have you heard of this Wiener Schnitzel? Wiener Schnitzel, yes.
Hitler, it's kind of like the, Heil Hitler. I can't do it, it's a little crack in the voice. Guten Tag and Wieten geht's Dufen.
Ich habe nicht Geld. That's all I know. I don't have any money.
Kommen Sie von der internationalen Ecke.
I was pretty close, I think.
Sie können auch gerne mal außerhalb
That sounds something like I thought.
Ich gesagt habe, das gilt, das habe ich gerade eben ja noch einmal wiederholt, aber eine Debatte.
Let me know when you get a gist of it.
Yeah, go just.
Yeah, a lot more laid back. Like he's very casual. He's not very.
damit das nur gleich klar ist. Wir können auch gerne mal
He's very confident.
I'm sure I said something that made sense.
Why don't we try again after hearing the video?
Oh no. Can I hear the video one more time?
Die haben ein sehr Flaggenführer und sehr Reingentüger.
I don't know.
A Wiener Schnitzel Hagen-Dazs, something.
Our foreign policy is about, being right, not being wrong, ever. Switzerland, Ukraine, the European Union is chutzpah.
Okay.
Ich gebe Ihnen dieselbe.
Sem Flag at Heka, Zegwoko. Yeah, that's I got.
Did that help you anyway?
Yeah, it changed my impression fully.
Okay, can you do it again?
Stuff like that, kind of.
Auf Wiedersehen.